Hello, my name is Julian and today I'll be showing you the recording feature in Adobe Presenter. Adobe Presenter is primarily used in PowerPoint. It is designed to help users create presentations that offer interactive design options such as narration and animation. The software utilizes Adobe Flash. The tools you will need to be successful in Adobe Presenter is a webcam and a microphone. Now I'll be utilizing my microphone today because I'll be doing audio recording. And as far as audio recording, I have an internal microphone, but it's suggested that you get an external microphone for the best audio performance. Once Adobe Presenter is downloaded, it will automatically install this plugin into your PowerPoint. And our Adobe Presenter plugin is right here. So I'll click that, and all your options pop up. Now, as highlighted before, I will be going over the recording option, but I'll go ahead and give you a brief little thing over the other options. You have publishing, which means you can publish to a website or your domain. You have a slide manager, in which if you click here, you can edit one slide, or I can edit all 6 of my slides. You have your settings options, which gives you your current theme, talks about your playback, your quality, and also views your attachments you have to this file. Right now, it's saying my current theme is this. And it gives you a little quick play of the current theme, how it will be set up. This is our recording option, which I will click in a few moments. You can also import recordings if you have them already in your iTunes or your QuickTime player, or whatever the case may be. You can sync your recordings from a phone or another computer or anything of that nature, and you can also edit recordings. Another thing you can do is capture video. Now, we won't be capturing video today, but if you were to click this will automatically link to your webcam or your external webcam, whatever the case may be, and you'll be able to record yourself and input it onto a PowerPoint. You can already import videos if you have them, and you can also edit videos. As I said earlier, Adobe Presenter also uses Flash, so you can import Flash animations and you can manage Flash animations here. You can also create quizzes to test, your audience on the information you presented. And you have your preferences and your help icon. Alright, now for today's main topic. Alright, before we begin recording, there's one thing I have to tell you. Before you begin to record the presentation, make sure your PowerPoint is copied somewhere on your computer's desktop or hard drive. Mine is copied directly onto my desktop. And the reason I chose to do this is because, let's say you were trying to record directly from a flash drive. If you do this, you risk the chance of having your recording not go all the way onto your flash drive and being lost. If you record directly on your hard drive, you ensure that all your audio is being recorded and you don't lose any data. My advice is just to go ahead and record onto your hard drive, and then later you can move it over to your flash drive if need be, so you won't risk losing that data. Alright, to begin recording, we're going to click the record option under the Adobe Presenter toolbar. So I hit record, and this box appears. I am setting my microphone recording level for use with Adobe Presenter. As I read that sentence, the microphone and the settings were just listening to my voice, getting the settings right so that I can get the best audio with this internal microphone. So once it does that, you get the input level OK button. It's highlighted green, and you hit OK. This is when your record audio box pops up. The 3 primary buttons you're going to use in your record audio box are previous, which means you can go back to the previous slide, next, which you can go to the next slide ahead, and the record button, which is right here. Other buttons you will also use is the new animation button for slides that have animation, play button, pause button, your stop button, and right now we have record play / play, this slide only. I will let you know in a few moments why this is checked and not unchecked. We also have slide 1 of 6. I have 6 slides, so that's just telling me how many slides I have, and just telling me to press play to play the audio on this slide. And you also have the time in which your audio is being recorded. Alright, there are 2 options for recording. Right now we have our record / play the slide only box checked. This means that I will only be recording audio for the slide that is selected. So right now, if I hit record, I will only be recording audio for this title slide. When I hit record, right now I'm talking, and this voice will only be played on the title slide. La 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 la. Alright, you hit stop recording, and you have 7.9 seconds, and that recording you can play back and listen to. Right now I'm talking, and this voice will only be played on the title slide. La 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 la. Alright, you hit stop. Alright, as we see, it sounded good. Yes, the voice sounded good. So we're good. Alright, if we unclick record / play the slide only, this allows us to record all the way through without just stopping on one slide. So I'm recording right now, and as I go to another slide, it's recording again. Now this slide has animation on it, so that's why you have the next animation button that popped up. So as a recording animation talking about the educational system, politics, workplace, and social life. Basically, that next animation button just allows you to synchronize your voice with what's about to pop up. Once again, we can stop this audio or go to the next slide and continue to record all the way through. But I'm pretty sure you get the point now. So I'm going to pause this and go back to your previous, and you can play to make sure it sounds the way you want it to sound. Go to another slide, it's recording again. Now this slide has animation on it, so that's why you have the next animation button that popped up. So as a recording animation talking about the educational system, politics, workplace, and social life. Alright, as you see, the sound went over well, so that's good, and all is well. So, right now we're on slide 2 of 6, and we're just going to go all the way through without recording anything, because we already have what we want to record in slides 1 to 3, and we're going to hit OK. This sends you back to your regular PowerPoint. Now, all you have to do in order to make sure that audio is saved is to hit save. And once you hit save, your audio is going to save to wherever you originally saved this PowerPoint. So let's minimize this. I'll go into my Adobe Presenter, and you see I have my regular PowerPoint, but I have these 2 other folders. And this is where my audio is recorded now, right here, 10/28/2012, 129. You can see it's 1:30, so this is the audio I just recorded. If I click in and listen to one of the audio, let's see, let's pick one to listen to. Go to another slide, it's recording again. Now, alright, so we see that one of my audio clips has been recorded successfully, and it can be used when uploading this. Alright, so that was just a basic overview of using your audio in Adobe Presenter. I hope you learned a lot, and I look forward to one day making more clips on Adobe Presenter. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.